We're back on the Candlestick 105. Now, for the topic of Candlestick 105, we talk about the volume in the candles. So you can see that sometimes we have a big candles like this, and usually price will going up further. But sometimes you see that we have, I say that not too big or too small candles. We call this as a healthy candle. Now, what the healthy candle does is that price will usually going up probably the same side with this candle. And sometimes we have what we call the smallest candles. Usually price will going up a little bit like this, or sometimes price will decide to reversing from the zone here. This is volume. The number one principle that you have to understand to able to identify that price will go up or down is the principle of buying and selling volume. Now, it's very simple. Listen to me very carefully. In the forex market, we only have buying side and selling side, right? So let's say that we have a lot of buying volume. Now you think what's gonna happen? Price will become big candle like this, right? Now let's say we have a lower buying volume. What does it mean? It means that the next candle probably gonna be smaller, right? Now, if price keep going up and we're going up a lot at this moment, you can see that we have less and less and less buying volume. So price would start to decreasing the momentum of bullish candle. And then what happened is once that we have a lot of selling volume coming in, you think what's gonna happen? Well, price gonna dropping down like this. Now, this is very crucial because if you understand this principle well, you can see that if this candle becomes smaller and we're forming a support level like this, super strong support level because this candle is become big. But sometime price closing like this is weaker candles confirmation. So there's a higher chance that price will closing below support level and going down, something like this. Now sometime price closing above the zone and we close with strong bullish candle. So this means that price will going up, something like this, right? Now at certain point, you will keep saying that, okay, we're breaking above the zone here. We should continue up. Yes, of course, we should continue up. But if you see price closing, start to closing like this, you have to understand that we're gonna become reversing from this zone. Why? Because we have less buying volume. Now you may ask me, well, it's not true because sometimes I see that we have small body candles like that, and then price is shooting up. How can you explain that? Well, you have to understand one more thing, that if price is become smaller and smaller side by side, it means that price is now consolidated in the lower time frame. Now, in the lower time frame, you will see that we have a ranging market or sideways market, it doesn't matter. But it means that we accumulating the volume. So when you see a body candle that closing side by side but with low volume, you can assume that it's wait for the buying volume or selling, it doesn't matter. It's waiting for the volume to pushing up. If price starts to pushing up above the zone, you can take a buy here, anticipate the price to going up like this. But sometime if you see the price closing below and you're taking a sell and then price closing back up, now this is the moment that you have to be aware, because sometime you see price going up again, you're taking a buy and closing back again. Now this is where you're losing a lot of money because you think it's gonna go down, you sell, it's gonna go up, you buy, and that's messing up with your altitude of trading at the moment. So you're gonna become greedy, you're gonna become mad about the trade, and it's not gonna play well. And it's gonna causing you a lot of mental and greedy and strategy, everything, right? So what should you do here? Well, you wait for about 3 to 5 hours, and if you can wait that long, I guarantee you that you're gonna see a better setup as long as you can wait.